Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create repeater fields multi-level nested with Piotnet Addons for Elementor form builder. This order form you can add more, you can remove, add more. Okay, and this is a sub repeater. Okay, let's begin. You can buy Piotnet Addons for Elementor form builder at pafe.piotnet.com. As you can see, repeater is a Elementor section or inner section, and you can use any Elementor widget to make add or remove button. You can see this is the icon widget and this is a button widget. Now create section repeater and edit section, PAFE tab Piotnet Addons for Elementor and form builder repeater. Enter your form ID and repeater ID, repeater test and repeater label. You have to enter form ID, repeater and repeater label. And now create a new field. Now create close button, remove button. You have to add close button into the repeater section. And go to Piotnet Addons for Elementor tab, scroll down to Piotnet Addons for Elementor Form Builder Repeater Trigger. Enable, enter form ID and enter the repeater ID. Repeater test. And action is remove. Now create add more button. You have to create add more button outside the repeater section. Outside. Add more. And you have to remove the link and go to Piotnet Addons for Elementor tab, Form Builder Repeater Trigger, order, repeater test. Action is add. Now you can see add more, remove. Okay, now I will create sub repeater. Now you put in the section. You have to create sub repeater into the repeater field, repeater section, and add a Piotnet Addons for Elementor tab, Form Builder Repeater, enable, form ID, order, the test, and then create remove button. And go to Piotnet Addons for Elementor tab, Form Builder Repeater Trigger, order, the test, sub, remove, and then create add more button. You have to create a add more button outside the sub repeater. Add more, remove the ring, and now you can Okay, you can see more tutorial or demo on Piotnet Addons Elementor Form Builder website pafe.piotnet.com. Thanks for watching.